Zinnias are beautiful showstoppers that come in a wide range of colors and shapes. They are hardy and beginner friendly. Zinnias are annuals and will give you a burst of color through to hard frost. Zowie! That's the name of this variety, which really brightens up an area. It's great for the front fence or by the mailbox because it tolerates heat and tough conditions. Zinnias do great in a mixed garden. This is one of the many gardens at my son's work. This one is my favorite, with zinnias, calendula, allium, shrubs, and more. A garden like this will attract lots of pollinators. Zinnias are butterfly magnets. Red zinnias are best if you want to attract monarchs. If you have honeybees or wish to support native bees, zinnias produce a lot of pollen. And wildlife friends, hummingbirds love them. I like to plant them in my vegetable garden to attract pollinators. Zinnia flowers come in a number of shapes, including beehive, button, and cactus. My suggestion is that you pick the type and color you think is pretty and fits in with your landscaping plan. Zinnias are easy to grow from seed and can be direct sown in the garden. They usually take 60 to 70 days to bloom from seed, depending on the variety and the weather conditions. Before seeding, till up your soil and make a nice seed bed. Sprinkle in some well rotted manure, but don't add any additional fertilizer. They are light feeders. Zinnias are very pH tolerant and pretty flexible as far as soil type. Hello, garden friends. I'm Amy, and I share information about organic gardening and wildlife conservation. I write books, and you can see the links in the description. You can also visit my website for digital downloads. Sow zinnias 1/4 of an inch deep. They do like full sun and good air circulation, so make sure to thin them. Sizes vary a great deal, so check your variety, but most should be thinned to 6 inches apart. If you want to get a jump on the season, start them indoors 4 weeks before the last frost. They are not big fans of being transplanted, so I recommend Jiffy pots. Before planting out, give them a good soak and gently peel off the bottom of the Jiffy pot so the roots can easily get free. They do like a warm germination temperature of 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. A heat mat works well. Once they sprout, you can take it down to 65. Do not allow plants to become root bound and avoid disturbing roots when you transplant. Zinnias enjoy warm, sunny weather with a minimum daytime temperature range of 60 to 84 degrees. Succession planting works well with zinnias, especially for different types. I plant 3 times, mid-May, mid-June, and mid-July. That way I am getting 5 months of bloom before the frost hits and kills them. Taller varieties need support. One option is flower netting that you put horizontally. So put in some stakes or metal fence posts and then stretch the netting 6 to 8 inches above the ground. Planting them along a fence is also a great way to give some support and make a showy statement. Zinnias are subject to powdery mildew, which is why good air circulation around them is so important. I am a big fan of neem oil, which I'll link in the description. Otherwise, I have a very thorough video on downy and powdery mildews. Zinnias are drought tolerant, but dry weather can cause them not to bloom. So while they don't need a lot of water, make sure they get at least an inch every other week. Harvesting will encourage more blooms. Go to where the stem branches and cut right above that branching. There's nothing prettier than a vase full of zinnias. Zinnias will reseed, and it's also super easy to save seed. Collect blossoms that are at least halfway brown and place them, bloom down, in a paper bag until the seeds shatter. Then store the seeds in a cool, dry place until the next spring. Another good thing about zinnias is they are fairly deer resistant. They are not a favorite. Zinnias do well in pots and are great for urban gardeners. There are some great dwarf varieties like Zahara, which comes in several different colors. There are so many colors and so many shapes to choose from. These are my favorites: State Fair Mix, which is super hardy; Bennery Giants, which are very showy with lots of color and get quite tall; and Cactus, which are just cute and fun. Let me know your questions and send me pics of your beautiful zinnia plants. Thanks for watching and have a super sunny day.